just gonna be like, box me, right?
Are you gonna do an intro too?
No. That is the intro. Box me. Box me. No, that's stupid. Do it good, like, do a good throw. Okay. Serious face. Serious face. Sorry, I sound stupid saying box me. Okay. Box me. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the brand new, kind of, AirPods 2. Also known as just AirPods. And box me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the brand new AirPods 2, also just known as AirPods, an expanded version of the original AirPod by Apple. So, before we get into it, guys, gotta smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Comment if you want. I don't think it matters, personally. So, let's get right into it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through.
So, personally, these aren't my AirPods. My girlfriend ordered them, and since she sucks at unboxing, I'm here to do that today. Comes in a pretty mediocre Apple box. Has the battery warning label. And opens just like that. Just like the iPhone, it comes with a plastic wrap over the actual box itself. So, it would appear that the AirPods come shrink wrapped, no pull tabs like on the iPhone, so you have to cut it with a knife or scissors. Now, it's worth noting that this set of AirPods in particular do not have the wireless charging case, and that is an optional accessory that you can get later on. Get that out of here. Okay, there we are. It's designed by Apple in California. First thing you're greeted with. We'll save this for later. So, inside the packet here, we have instruction manual. Looks like safety and handling, maybe some general warranty information. And this is the warranty information. No Apple stickers in these, guys. Okay. So, here's the main event, the brand new.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
The brand new AirPods, guys. Visually, no difference from previous model years. No color upgrades, nothing like that, just plain white AirPods. These ones have also been engraved, which means you can't return them. But opening it up, it says that they're ready to be paired. Nice brand new AirPods. So that kind of covers it for right now, guys. I'll list off some specs in the B-roll footage, but other than that, oh, no, that's not it, guys. I'm sorry. We also have a lightning cord. which I'm not going to open because we have too many of them anyway. Need to bring on the USB-C charging.
Okay.
Okay, so now I think that's it, guys. So, if you liked the video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, whatever it is you do on YouTube. I'm not quite sure, but someone will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys. The new AirPods sport dual beamforming microphones, dual optic sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer. Some improvements over the previous AirPods are it now features the H1 headphone chip compared to the W1 headphone chip, which allows you to do things like use Siri to control your AirPods instead of double tapping the side of your AirPod. Overall, the dimensions are the same as the previous AirPods, and the only thing that's really changed is the wireless charging case, weighing an additional couple grams. The batteries will hold up to 5 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 3 hours of talk time with a single charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting to your phone, and there's a whole variety of accessibility features to help those hard of hearing. You need an iPhone or iPod Touch with the latest version of iOS, and an iPad or an iPad with the latest version of iPadOS. It's compatible with iPhones all the way down to the iPhone 5S, or an iPod Touch 6th generation. It's compatible with a whole list of different Mac models and iPad models, iPads being down to the Mini too. And it's compatible with every Apple Watch series. It's also compatible with a few Apple TV models.
Alright everyone, thank you for watching that video that my boyfriend so kindly filmed for me. He still thinks his is better than mine, but I mean, I actually showed kind of me unboxing and like unpeeling my iPhone. He didn't show it at all in either camera, so I would say mine's probably better, and it's a big yikes for him, but it's all fun and games, you know. What are you going to do about it? It's already been filmed, the AirPods are already unboxed, so there's not much we can do about it. But this is the end of the video, and if you did like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below who did the unboxing better, me or my boyfriend. His name is Alex, he did not introduce himself at all. But that is it for today's video, and one last thing before you leave, make sure you follow my TikTok and my Instagram, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, lovelies.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe